What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you the trig identity proof. So here we have tan squared theta times cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta divided by tan squared theta equals to 1. So it's over on the left hand side obviously. So tan squared is sine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta times cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta divided by tan squared theta. Cosine and cosine cancel out and it will be sine squared theta plus sine squared theta, and here in the denominator I have tan squared theta, so it's going to be sine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta. Then these two cancel out and the cosine, it goes on top, so it's going to be sine squared plus cosine squared, and we know sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment.